everyone, this is my drawing. And stay put ka lang dyan. And tingnan mo lang yung drawing ko. Papakita ko sa inyo yung drawing ko, guys. Wait lang. Yan guys, yung una kong drawing. Babae tsaka lalaki, guys. Yan guys. Meron pa ako, guys. Yun guys, dalawa sila guys. At ngayon guys, magdodrawing naman tayo ng mga damit, mga design ng damit. Yan naman guys.